Hi, it's Neil from Mighty Little Green Machine. Welcome back to the channel. Well, on today's video, the 260B is going to the dentist. We're going to replace the tooth that I broke working on that stump. And we're going to do it with a non-John Deere tooth. So let's get started. So I found this company on Green Tractor Talk. The company's name is Ag Industrial, and I'll put a link to this tooth down below. The John Deere replacement tooth for the bucket is $50. The one from Ag Industrial is $18.50. Now, that being said, it's $10 for freight, so it was $28.50 for the total. Still less because I would have paid freight from John Deere. So if this one holds up, then I'll probably buy a couple of extras just to keep them around because they're not being that inexpensive. So we'll have them. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is dig all the dirt out around these bolts. It's a real not fun day here again today. It's been snowing for 2 days. So I really couldn't pressure wash it. But let me get a pick and clean out, or a screwdriver, and we'll clean that out, and then we'll see if this fits. I think that these just hold on with two, looks like they just hold on with 2 bolts. So I've never done it before. I was actually kind of shocked when I broke it because I broke it on a stump root, not on a rock, and I've moved a lot of big. You guys have seen me do a lot of the big rocks. Okay, so clean that out. And clean that out. Let me find the size, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's 2 different sizes. It's 5/8 on the back, the bottom of the bucket side, and it's 11/16 inside the bucket. Okay. I'm not sure if my battery impact would do this or not. Well, my smaller one, but oh, these are pretty loose actually. There's one. And I'm going to reuse these bolts. They looked fine. Oh, that one was much tighter. Sure, all the dirt inside there is not helping me at all. And there's 2. So it's just a normal shoulder bolt and a normal nut. They're not lock nuts or anything. Well, that's interesting. This came off in 2 pieces. Okay. Let's compare it to our other one. Looks like the holes line up, so you can see. Let's see if I can get this so you can see it. The holes line up. I don't know if you can see that or not. So it looks like what happened was it actually broke in both places, here and here. I'm going to grab a wire brush and clean the dirt up real quick. Just so it seats good. Okay, now just double check and make sure this fits. Okay, it's tight. Which I'm not sure is a bad thing. Let's see if I can bring you down so you can see it. Okay. First one's pretty lined up. Now, the bolt came through the back and then the nut went on the inside. You're close to lined up. Let's see. Can move it a little more now that it spread itself out. No, it's got to go back up. Well, I'm going to also grab some anti-seize, so hold on a minute. Okay, let's see. I'm having a little bit of a hard time getting this thing lined up. I can't see on this side. Okay. Let's see. I really can't see it from the other side. Okay. Now, yeah, that one's in. I'm not going to, I'll put anti-seize on this now. I don't put them on while I'm fitting it because it just makes a big mess. And I've had this tube forever. You can buy it anywhere. You don't even need a bun this big. But what it's going to do is if I have to take it apart again, it's going to make it come apart easier. Anytime I do bolts in any kind of an extreme environment, I always put this stuff on. Now it looks like maybe this other hole may not quite be on. I may have to drill it, which well, maybe not. Let's see. Nope. So the holes work perfect. Put a little anti-seize on this. Okay, so it fits perfect. You can see, let me show you, hold on. Oh, the socket would help. I really got to start wearing hearing protection when I'm doing stuff like that. That's loud. Resonates right into my ear. Let's make sure these are tight. Nice. There it is. Nice and done. Ready to dig. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to run this for a while, and as long as it doesn't break, I am going to buy a couple of extras, and I think I'll buy at least one set of extra bolts just to keep it, because it never fails. When stuff breaks on me, I'm in the middle of doing a project, and I can't get to the store. So, like I said, it does. I mean, I don't know that it would have been so bad if I was just digging dirt, but I can tell you for sure when I was trying to dig those stumps out with two teeth, it makes a huge difference. So that was that. I'm pretty pleased with that. Like I said, I'll put a link down below to the tooth, to exactly the tooth that I bought. I think it said it was for a bobcat, but it's exact same holes and same size, same length, same everything. I did measure it all before I ordered it. So thanks for watching, and thanks for helping me do this project. I'll see you next time on Mighty Little Green Machine.